Right guys, welcome back. You're here with Dino, Culture Vulture. You know how it is. This is how we roll, getting you in the places you want to see. So again, we're in Worsley, in the old bunker. Now they had a rave in here back in the 90s, and I'm guessing that this is like sort of where the DJ might have been, in this little window here. And you can see this little window. And then again, we're looking down onto the big room there. But this is like a mad place. I've wanted to be in here for like the last year and a half. And it's just absolutely crazy. The whole bottom floor is just like covered in water. There's all like graffiti on the walls and stuff, as you can see. Yeah, one sec, Cam. I'm just at the back door, mate. So, that's the back door there. We've got like another little window there. You can see. Nice little doorway. All the stuff up here, and it's just a bit too much to take in at the moment, guys, because I'm just like overwhelmed. And this is like, oh yo, can't believe I'm in here. Where are we, Cam? So that's the room where the through here, yeah? Yeah. That's just some stairs here, and there's like a doorway there. I'm guessing you might have been able to get up. Yeah, there's some stairs here. Oh, Cam, I've got like 20% battery left. This is not good, mate. This is not good. 20% battery left on my phone, and this is like, I've only just got in the place out. This is just my luck, so that's downstairs. Let me try and fly around this quick. Right, there's Kizzy Mac, and that's where I originally took my original, where I stuck my hand through and I shit myself. But yeah, there's that room. So like, ooh, I don't know what that is, a wig. So I mean, there's all stalactites and stuff on the, I mean, that roof quite peeling off, but there is some over there. You can see them, I don't know. Some over there. There's some trees there. Oh, the roof. Anything down there, pal?
It's a shooting range.
Is there what, pal?
Can I hear me? It's a shooting range.
Right, so there's the shooting range. Yes! Found the shooting range, guys. The information on Facebook was true. And we've got to try to flip these little boys here. Yeah, they still work. Obviously there's no electricity. That one doesn't work. And that one does. That looks the newest one. I'm just trying to play with the buttons there. That might have been where the targets come up and went, woo! I mean, I don't know. I'm just speculating there. But there's like a little OMG, guys. It's like a full. That might have been the way. I was like, oh, there might be a way up earlier. Yeah, because there's a. And there's not a. Oh, it's just the road I was in, and then I was tripping out for like a car outside. Right, so yeah, we've got a bit more graffiti on here.
You can see the,
you can see where the bullets were, can't you? I mean, you've not got to see it on the phone because we get closer. What?
you can see the panels of light.
Yeah, everything. You might be able to see a few bullets behind the back of that. I mean, look, can you see that where they've clearly been shooting? Let me get it to come, don't know. Maybe you want to be on camera, what? I don't know. But yeah, I'm guessing, yeah, there's all sand down there and the bullets might have hit them. I wonder if there's any bullets down there, Cam, do you reckon?
I reckon that's why we should do the smoke on.
I mean, if you look at the way they're angled, sorry if I'm pointing that in the wrong way, guys, but there's boards there and they're angled, so obviously the bullet hit the back and then it goes straight down into the sand. There's all ricochet things and stuff. That is cool. I'll tell what's that made out of. I don't even trust touching that, to be honest, because it's yucky. See if I can see any shells down there for you guys. No, it might have been cleared out when they sold it and stuff, you know. Might have had to sweep it all out, but I can't see any down there. Sorry about my camera work as well. Yeah, that's just what's inside there. Oh, I touched it with my head. Ew. You see how they're all angled down? So the bullets have just come straight down. But wow. So yeah, this is a shooting range. So it's about 30 yards, 40 yards, Cam?
Yeah.
Not bad. Nice little pistol range or something there. Try to do the rest of this upstairs before my battery dies. Great, that. I'm not sure who Joel D is, but Joel's been in here. Yeah, Tom, is you reckon that Tommy Tapier? Is that the Tapier, do you reckon? That Tommy Tapier? Oh, we've got a flyer on the wall there. The audio farm. Can't really read any DJs though. It looked like a techno night, drum and bass, bit of dubstep. Little map there, if anyone knows where all that is. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we've got Joe over here, Sean and Josh. While I'm here, I'd like to give a massive shout out to Neil, Nelly. You know who you are, pal. You know who you are, and Simple Simon. Say hi to the boys. Say hi to Jake. And Ryan.
Do you reckon there's ever a old hand grenade in a trip like this?
Yeah, I hope not, Cal.
Just the one that survived this long.
I'm guessing this might have been the toilets, but the floor's nasty. Yeah, that would have been the toilets. You see the lavatory. Yep, I'd rather not go in there, mate.
You can see the plastic is untouched that. Even after the metal is rusted.
Going that way first, or that way, Cam?
Ooh. I don't know.
Another little room. Ah, this is another shooting range here. I'm not even asked about the water anymore. My feet are absolutely drenched. Soggy to the bone. But yeah, you can see where the ricocheted off. Yeah, pretty cool. Taking some photos, Cam, here. And again, they had a rave in here in the 90s. There are only a couple of videos on YouTube, but I definitely missed that one. I wish I'd have been there for that, because this would have been cool. Yeah, that's big now. So then Chris has been here in 07, guys. We had an 012 up there earlier, didn't we? So another 07. More toilets, but again, you don't really want to see toilets, do we, guys? We all know what it is. Right, so we're downstairs now. These stairs aren't locked. Maybe that's just a bit touring, you know.
Yeah, I reckon they never did the first one.
Yo, look at the size of that door. Yo. Look at the size of that. That's crazy.
That'd be where they kept some good shit.
It's probably just the wall that, but I just thought I heard the noise then. Right, let's go in. Yo! Yo, calm me, man. You want safes, bro? You want safes, mate? Shit! Sorry, guys, just let me try and step on the stones before. I mean, yo, check them out, man. They are fucking sick, bruv. That is a fucking safe. Now, Cammy, you're on about driving through safes, mate. That's the door and shit. Check it. Whoa. Shit. Right, guys. Worsley Rifle Club. I don't know if you can see that yet. That is shocking, mate. But yo, I mean, you can see the water on the roof. This place is just a damp place. And so my shoes, man, they're dead out at the moment. Getting put in the bin. There's some filing cabinets there. We've got a nice couple of safes there. I mean, that was probably where they kept the guns, I'm guessing. Because it's not like you can take them home with you and everything, is it, you know? Let's see if any of these. Sorry guys, I don't want to drop my phone in this water. Right, that is definitely. Oh! That is $1.50. That, look at the size of that. Will that take my way? Yep. That's on top of there, not much here. But oh, look at this size of that door. That's not moving now. But they are cool as hell. They are cool as hell. Sorry guys. Keep out of the water because my feet are absolutely. Is that an old tape deck cam from back in the day? There we've got like, is that like where you put your tape? Yeah. Like your VHS. Don't know if you kids know what VHSs are, but when I was growing up there was videotapes before DVDs and all this stuff.
Probably should have got
I mean, look at the door. Look at the protection just to get in that one room. Obviously,
That is a fucking door.
that is a door, boys and girls. Check that out, check the thickness. I'm just going to slip in the wash, it doesn't really matter now at this point. Woodman Miller, London, England. They make some big old doors, guys and girls. Is that... No, I'm trying to shut that and it's not going absolutely anywhere. No, putting my shoulder on it and it's going nowhere, but I mean, look at the side of it. Crazy. Right, let's fly down. Smoking strictly prohibited. Well, they must have had ammo round here. You got any steps there, Cam?
Yeah.
I got like 10% battery, bro, so do you want to help me out?
Yeah.
Right, I think that's the way we came in.
Yeah.
Right, we've done upstairs, haven't we? Yeah, stick it out there, Cam, and I'll carry on videoing down there. Oh, this is a trippy room. This is a weird room, guys. It's like got a weird vibe in it. It's proper big. It's obviously flooded in water, as you can see, man. I'm knee deep in this, man, just to bring you guys what you want to see. Right, so there's Cammy up there where the DJ was. And then we try and turn it around. Look at all that up there, man. This is awesome. If walls could talk, guys, because this place. Right, just another room there. Oh, feet. Just another room there that leads back out. Oh, let's have a look quick. Yeah, back to where Cam's there. That's back to the front. See, someone's kindly put all these here. You liking that, Cammy? The thingy bomb? Yeah. I'm going to go, guys, because I need to save my battery to ring my missus. But you can definitely be assured I will be back in this place. I mean, look at that, Joe. Come on. The light switches and that. There's all stuff behind there. This place is awesome. But yeah, I'm going to have to... Whoa! Cut that one short, guys. So, thanks for watching. This is Culture Vulture Dino. And I'll see you guys next time. I mean, what was that? It's cool as hell.